Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and this is the quick update over at the situation at the Dvorichna Front. So this is Kupiansk, and this is Dvorichna Front. So at the Dvorichna Front, there is new developments, very significant one. We know that there is two battles ongoing at this front line. One is over at Dvorichna, at the Battle of Dvorichna itself within the city. The other one is moving in the direction of Zapadne. And both of them have major updates, as you can already see on the mapping. At Dvorichna itself, the Russian forces basically have taken the crossing over the Oskil River and have advanced to the Dvorichna neighborhood. And they have also taken a stronghold and linked up with the forces that have already taken Rakovo neighborhood. So they have basically advanced in this way, basically bringing the battle to the northern side of the Nizhnya Dvorichna River, and this is going to be a pretty problematic situation right now for the Ukrainians, and the Russians are still have basically have a stronger foothold now over in the center of Dvorichna, and yeah, this is just not looking very good. According to the Ukrainian mapping, I believe this is the Ukrainian mapping. Yeah, according to the Ukrainian mapping, the Russian front line basically is like this: is a straight line. Although previously we have geolocation of Russian forces at this point. So Dvorichna, the Battle of Dvorichna is now raging. We do not have much coming out from Dvorichna in terms of footages and information, other than this frontline change. So it's unclear how fierce the fighting is right now. For example, when the footage come out of the aftermath, of Thorax, Thorax is like totally destroyed. Like, it's like the Voschansk level of destroyed. Very heavily destroyed city, like like Voleda. But because so little footage comes out from Thorax, it's very hard to see that just by looking at the map. So over at Zapadne, the Russian forces have taken the entire forest. The next forest is now under Russian control, and in fact they have pushed south into this position around here. They have taken all of the forest, basically on the eastern outskirts of Zapadne, which means that they have total fire control across the entire road here, across just near to Zapadne, and they are now on the verge of attacking into Zapadne itself. So this is a very significant development as well. This is a totally different battle, and the Russian forces basically taken this installation. I'm not sure what is exactly is this. I haven't gone and searched it. It probably some industrial building. The Russians have taken this. There must be some kind of geolocation to make the Ukrainians map it through specifically. So the fact that they are here means that this tree line here is this tree line is not there is no Ukrainian forces over there. We can safely say that the Russians probably also have overrun this position, most likely, and I don't think these areas have very strong Ukrainian presence and defenses. So no, if the Russians continue to pile on this area, sending in reinforcement, we might see a big breakout from this region here if the Ukrainians are not careful. So the front line itself, Zapadne is just a beautiful neighborhood. There's some farmlands as well, very tranquil. But it's not going to be so tranquil soon. Less than 400 meters away, the Russians are about to launch an attack into Zapadne itself. This would become a very good forward operating positions for the Russians to start to do breakout operations. As you can see, there is not a lot of entrenchments that was mapped previously. It's mainly along this main road, because this main road is used for resupply towards Kupiansk, moving from Chuhuiv and then Kharkiv. So this was one of the road. The other one is going through the highway. So yeah, so you can see the line of entrenchment moving all along the road. But of course, the Russians can just go around it. There's no need to really go through it. So anyway, this is the major developments over the Dvorichna Front. We might be on the verge of a breakout if the Russians capture these two cities, or these two town village. Dvorichna is I would say is a small city, and then Zapadne is like a town, a small town. So anyway, thank you for watching. press the like button, subscribe, and yeah, more updates to come, and I'll see you guys in the next update.